What? Talk. Say something. Babe. Babe. Baby, you good? You let go of the chicken. Baby, y'all catch you in my hands. Babe. I'm about to pee on you. What? Stop playing. Babe. Wait, you want some pussy? Babe. What was you doing? Don't do that. You okay? Babe, you play too hard. I didn't know if you was playing or serious. Huh? Okay. It's cold as fucking. Time to go. Drip off that chicken. What? Oh, you're not eating no more of this shit. It made you retarded? You singing? Oh, we finna sue them. Baby! Babe! Did it make you retarded? Oh, shit. We gotta go back to this. Babe! Then it made you retarded. We getting a lawsuit. Baby, I'm not playing. I can't wipe my hands off on them. I'm about to wipe it on you. Shut up! That's not even your native. Area. Stop fucking playing with me.
You think that was a good? What were you thinking?
I thought you turned retarded, man. Off that food.
How would I turn retarded?
Baby, we need napkins.
Hey, remove your hands. Don't make like that. Wiping at me. But anyway, guys, I don't know what I thought, man. I just make a prank for real.
You was literally finna get smacked.
Why you came here and opened the door? Like, you thought I was
Baby,
gone?
I don't know what the fuck wrong with you. I'm like, do I laugh or do I get up and act like it's serious? I don't even know.
So why you came all the way up here?
I didn't know if it was serious or not.
So you wanted to come and open the door and do what?
I'll help you.
Do what?
Stop talking like that.
That's all because Mom knew
Oh, okay, now I know it's not serious. Shut your ass F.
Yeah, I just thought. I don't know how I thought about that, but.
I can't even eat all my chicken because I'm sitting in a dry bone. I don't want to eat it happen. But I hope don't make you regret it.
How would you even think something like that was?
I should make you dry.
Oh, what's the problem?
Pussy. Finger me. Come on, let's do it.
You want to
Baby, you want to poke me with that toothpaste in my coochie?
I'm sorry, we see the chicken on my legs.
Oh, shit. What the hell you talking about? Oh, that damn, look, it's that. It's because the fucking Mendel's a car.
He's supposed to know that they're coming.